everyone, I'm Teacher Melike from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. And today we are going to learn about SoThat and SuchThat. SoThat and SuchThat are phrases used in English to show relationships between two things. Let's break down each one. SoThat. The phrase SoThat is used to express the reason behind an action. Let's see the examples. Example 1. I studied hard so that I could pass my exam. We can also express this as I studied hard in order to pass my exam. Example 2. She saved money so that she could buy a new laptop. As you can see, she saved money with the purpose of buying a new laptop. Example 3. They left early so that they wouldn't miss the beginning of the movie. It means they left early in order not to miss the beginning of the movie. Do you like our examples? You know where to find more. English Central has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. You can click on the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app English Central to check out our educational materials. We also offer you one free lesson with our teachers so that you can check it all out for yourself. For now, let's continue with the lesson. Next up, we have SuchThat. The phrase SuchThat is used to describe a situation that leads to an outcome. It's often used to describe a characteristic that leads to a result. Example 1. It was such a wet road that driving a car would be dangerous. As you can see, when the road was wet, people couldn't drive. Example 2. It was such a hard exam that he failed, meaning the exam's difficulty led him to fail. Example 3. She ate such a big pizza that later she felt ill. See, she ate so much and this led her to get sick. In summary, SoThat is used to express the reason behind an action, while SuchThat is used to describe a situation that leads to an outcome. These phrases can help you connect the relationship between actions, reasons, and results in your sentences. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click the bell button. And don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care!